Good morning, students of class 9th. Children, I have already given you the explanation of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. I have even discussed question answers from the text. Now today I'll be doing a few short type questions and few value based questions related to the chapter. Children, value based questions are very important for the exam. Let's see the short type questions. The first one, what dilemma does the poet face? The poet describes his dilemma when he comes to a point on the road in the woods where the road forked into two and he stood wondering which one to take. This is similar to turning points in one's life when one has to take a decision which becomes difficult to take at times. Now, question number 2. Why did the poet think that the other road had a better claim? What trait of his personality is revealed by his choice? The answer is the poet thought that the other road had a better claim because it was not much used. He is reluctant to follow the tradition of using the same road that other people have previously used. This reveals him to be an adventurous person. Question number 3. What do the two roads represent? The two roads represent the dilemma facing a person having to make a decision. The results of taking a decision one way or the other usually are different. The decision affects further events related to it. So these 3 questions are short type questions and that you would have to write in 30 to 40 words. Now I'll be doing some value based questions. The first one is, how does the poet connect nature to the human situation in the poem? The poem starts by describing something in nature, a wood or forest during the autumn season. The wood has a path diverging into two, which the poet comes across. The poet talks about which road to choose. The choice of roads connects to the human situation where people have to make decisions in life and can't come back to the same point in life or know what the future will be on taking a certain decision. This is a dilemma which people face regularly in life. Sometimes one decision leads to another, and so it is impossible to retrace your steps. Now, the second question, value-based question. How is the theme of the poem applicable to our lives? The answer is, decisions play an important role in our lives. Making a decision is not always easy, and we do not know whether any decision taken will be beneficial to us in the long run or not. Yet, we have to make decisions which we cannot retract from. As we can't go back and change our decisions, we have to be very wise and careful while making any decision. So, we must visualize the possible consequences of our decisions and then make the decision that looks the best decision as far as possible. Hence, the decision should be made after carefully weighing the advantages and disadvantages of each option. So, 2 value-based questions I have given you. Now, long type question will also come in your exam. So, and that question you have to write in 100 to 150 words. So I'll not give you the answer of it. You will write your own. So the first question is, the choices we make in life make all the difference. Explain. The second question is, briefly describe the poet's experience in the woods. So these two long type questions you would have to write in your copies.